Travel smartly and full of excellent reading. For perfect stays and to enrich the travel experience using the loyalty program is amazing lifestyle. Radisson Rewards program is a lifestyle choice for staying and accommodations worldwide. Starting the journey with Radisson Rewards program from club level towards the premium level by achieving at least 5 nights or at least 3 stays to attain and maintain this level status. With all conditions, changes and policies. This level in Radisson Rewards offers a wonderful collection of benefits, and the following are the mains. Up to 27 points each $1 American on qualified spending. Priority line. Free room upgrade to the next category. Priority in free early check-in and late check-out. Discount posta up to 20%. Our reading from the literature via the digital channels of Radisson Rewards program. Be a lifelong friend for the channel. This is SHADI. To the next XP, have a wonderful day.